Hi there. I wanted to walk you through the steps for accessing Hypothesis. I heard up from a lot of students that this was a real challenge. So we can just talk through exactly how to do it. So here's the assignment, student fear factor annotation. Here's some context. Basically, we're going to work together to read the reading together. Here's a video of me walking you through what the assignment is and why it's important. Here's where you can learn how to use Hypothesis. Again, a link for how to use Hypothesis, and this just takes you to a how-to page. It walks you through all the steps, kind of like I'm doing now. Here's the rest of the instructions. Make 3 highlights, make 3 annotations. The annotations are called comments, actually. So you'll leave 3 comments. Here's an example of the type of comment you might want to leave. And here's what the box looks like when you type it in. You'll type something first, and then you'll click this post, and that makes it public so everyone can see it, including me. Here's some more steps on how to access the reading through Hypothesis, and then we'll walk through together. So you'll scroll to the bottom, and it says load it in a new window. You will load in a new window. It takes you to an authorize page. You click authorize. You log in, you click authorize again, which is super annoying, but you have to do both. And then here is the reading. And you can see a couple students have already started to comment, which is great. Here is the reading itself. You scroll down, looks like some highlights have been made. The way that you will begin to participate is you can highlight it. You can either click to annotate or highlight. So let's annotate, and that brings us over to a box here where you can leave a comment. You'll start typing like, this is an example, smiley face. And then you'll click post, and then it becomes public for everyone to see. So anyone who looks at this highlighted portion, their